Premium Salon leave-in treatment that instantly transforms your hair, making it soft, silky, and easier to manage. Repairs, restores, and strengthens over processed, damaged, and brittle hair. Eliminates frizz and acts as effective heat protectant. Hydrates and moisturizes dry hair and scalp, locking in moisture and giving your hair a brilliant shine. Effective for all hair types. Nourishes your hair with essential nutrients from the highest quality Moroccan cosmetic-grade argan oil and promotes natural hair growth. Specially formulated to provide additional hair repair, hydration, and further improve manageability when used together with other Arvazallia Professional Series hair treatment products, including the Arvazallia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask, Ultra Curl Defining Cream with Argan Oil Curl Cream, and the Advanced Hair Repair Shampoo and Conditioner System. Be prepared to get flooded with compliments. Your beautiful, soft, silky, and shiny hair will get noticed. After you begin using Arvazallia Premium Argan Oil Hair Treatment, friends, family, and admirers will be asking questions about your hair. This is because our special formulation, which is the best kept secret in salons around the world, will transform your hair by instantly making it silky, soft, and more manageable while giving it a brilliant shine that others will notice. Salon stylists and customers love our treatment because it makes frizzy and difficult hair soft, silky, and easier to manage. It also repairs and restores and strengthens over processed, damaged, and brittle hair. It's a very versatile residue-free and light oil that quickly absorbs into your hair, leaving your hair looking, feeling, and smelling great. It acts as a heat protectant that protects hair from damage caused by hair irons and also enhances color treatments by ensuring an even application of color. It moisturizes dry scalp and protects from UV rays while awakening dull hair and giving it a magnificent shine. Top reviews from the United States. Lovely smell. I love the smell, and the oil is an oil but not greasy.